Hello everyone, this is Shagun Negi. Currently, I'm a NEET aspirant from 1 year. Basically, today I just want to share from where I'm taking my coaching. So, as we all of us know that from past 1 year, we all are having our online mode of studying, which I feel is something difficult and prominent time for all of us, everyone who is seeking for their competitive exam. I, being an aspirant, felt something missing in my preparation. So one of my friend um, share me some app. So I came across an app which is Anveshika Live app. So what I feel this is a totally turning point because this app had various infrequent features like recorded session, test performer accuracy checkup, which is something important, and the faculty member there is so supportive and helpful. They used to be so frank with us. They used to work upon our weaker area. They used to share about the books, various books, about the syllabus, about the test techniques. So they used to give us various techniques and strategy, which is something boost our performance and as well as our speed. I, being an PCB student, used to have generally a phobia regarding physics. So I used to feel so difficult to solve various questions of physics, and if I solved, so I took long minutes. So one of my physics tutor, they taught us various technique and strategy, which actually is a time saver. They used to taught us how to solve a question in just 45 seconds. So which is very crucial for us. So next thing is that every Saturday Sunday we had our test series bound, and we had our WPPS, which means a weekly practice paper test, which comprises all the topics which we've done in our previous class. So it helped us to regain and rememorize what we've done. And next one is we had our douse session. We can take it individual or we can take with group, and it held every week. And next thing, had our assignments. Our coaching providers various assignments, and they used to give us various